Thank you very much for opening my video again. Happy Chinese New Year. Last time I mentioned that my father had a gangrene. I visited many doctors, professors, and the president of Capital University of Medical Science. President told me that your father could try Chinese medicine. Maybe he can have a hope. He gave me some addresses. Then I found Dr. Shi Jinghua Clinic. They were a very famous family clinics of Chinese medicine for 3 generations. And they are particularly effective for treating gangrene. My father went to the clinic twice a week and brought home some herbs and make soup and drinking it. At the same time, I found an 81-year-old acupuncture doctor. My father went to his clinic for acupuncture twice a week. After 2 years of treatment, a miracle slowly began to happen. The color of my father's feet and legs changed from black color to blue and finally turned into a normal color. His legs' temperature completely normal. This is such a happy surprise for our family and a deep impression for myself. I must have found out the difference between Western medicine and Chinese medicine. First point is Western medicine and Chinese medicine have a different philosophy to analyze patients. The human body seen by Western medicine is a material world. Western medicine believes that the human body is an organism composed of blood vessels, nerves, bones, muscles, and organs. If a certain part of the human body has a disorder, it needs treatment, Western medicine cannot consider and diagnose the cause and disorder that is invisible to the eyes. This is a basic thinking method of Western medicine. The human body seen by Chinese medicine is the energy world, which qi. Qi is energy. Yin qi is cold energy, yang qi is warm energy. Like my writing, you can say qi equal energy, yang qi is warm energy, yin qi is cold energy. The qi of the human body comes from the parents and the sky and the earth. Traditional Chinese medicine, we say TCM, believes that the human body is composed of yin qi and yang qi. Both qi leads the movement of blood to nourish the body's organs, so a human can survive. If either yin or yang qi disappeared, your life is over. The job of the TCM doctor is to ensure the balance of the yin qi and the yang qi in the patient, the body, so that the patient's qi and the blood will become active. The stagnation disappeared. Then the patient become healthy again. let me tell you a medical story, then you maybe understand it much easier. One day, a 29-year-old man came to my clinic. We call him patient A. He said that his back hurts. It has been nearly 2 months. He has seen the doctor several times. The doctor also gave him blood test and electrocardiogram. Then he took a chest X-ray, and finally, doctor told him, "Your heart and the lungs are normal, and there is no problem with your bones. In your case, you don't have seem to be sick. You can go to a psychiatrist. We thinking you have a mental illness." He was very angry. He said to me that my back pain was getting worse in the past 2 months. But they said I was not sick. It was a psychological problem. Dr. Chen, I heard that Chinese medicine is amazing. Please help me by the acupuncture. I asked him, "What's your job?" He said he was carrying packages at the post office. I had an idea in my mind. I made him lie down on the bed and then apply scraping oil and scraped his back with a scraper. This is a scraper. It's plastic. Yeah. After the scraping is like this. Scraping is like this. Scraping on his back. After scraping, a lot of red spots appeared on his back. You can see this picture. Yeah, on his back, like this. Okay, it's totally red. And Chinese medicine call it. This treatment is gua sha. You can see that is gua sha, is a scrape. Okay. After this gua sha, I gave him acupuncture treatment. After that, I massaged him about 15 minutes. He was very happy after he get up. "Oh, Dr. Chen, my back pain has been reduced by 80%. He kept moving his back to show me. I took a picture for him. When he will come 5th times, I did the same gua sha to him, but the skin totally normal. I take a picture again to him. He said, he saw it and he said very happily. He want to show his doctor the 2 photos and tell him how amazing Chinese acupuncture is. From the above case, we can see that Western doctor give patient a diagnosis and they must look at patient's chemical test report and the physical test report. Otherwise, the diagnosis cannot be made. And the Chinese medicine doctor collects the patient medical data by looking, listening, smelling, and touching, and asking the patients. Same time, thinking the patient is yin qi weak or yang qi weak or qi stagnation. Second point is different for diagnosis between the 2 medicines. After I cured the patient A for his back pain, another patient, 31 years old, man came to my clinic. We say he was patient B. He has back pain for 11 years. That's a long time. I gave him totally different diagnosis. They are playing same place, but the diagnosis is different. Why and how to treat him? Please continue to listen my medical story next time. If you click subscribe, you will get the next story automatically. See you on next Saturday. Thank you. Bye-bye.